What's good, everyone? Welcome back. You know why you clicked this video. I have a different video for you today. So many of you guys know about the fires that happened in Los Angeles last month. Those are finally gone. They are fully extinguished now. This is the Palisades fire, the largest of the LA fires. It burned 23,707 acres and damaged or destroyed 7,854 structures while burning for 24 days. Here is what Pacific Palisades, the place the fire destroyed, looked like before the fire. Here is what Pacific Palisades looked like after the fire. The Eden Fire. The Eden Fire was the second largest fire after the Palisades. It burned 14,021 acres and damaged or destroyed 10,491 structures while burning for 24 days. The fire wiped out almost all of Altadena and some parts of Pasadena. Here is what Altadena looked like before the fire. Here is what Altadena looked like after the fire. In total, almost 30,000 acres were burned by these massive fires. Almost 30 people lost their lives, and hundreds of thousands were left homeless and without power. Many people are still traumatized and are still recovering. Both fires were two of Los Angeles's most destructive fires in history. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.